Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to change voice on Discord mobile. Firstly, tap on the drop down arrow at the bottom left of the app, right next to the mic icon. From the list of available options, choose a voice filter. You can select a voice filter by anything you'd like to apply to your input audio. For example, you can do robotic, chipmunk, or deep voice filters depending on the app version. Now, once the filter is applied, a banner will appear at the top of your screen showing which filter is currently active. And that's it, your voice will now be modified while you chat or stream. Just a tip, you can switch filters on the fly or disable them anytime from the same menu. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.